In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find NotebookLm. NotebookLm is a Google tool designed to help you work with your notes, documents, and ideas using AI. Before you can start exploring what it can do, you first need to know exactly where to find it and how to access it properly. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simplest and most common way to get to NotebookLm, whether you're on a computer, a tablet, or a phone. Let's start with the basics. The easiest way to access NotebookLm is through your regular web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or the default browser on your mobile device. Open up your browser like you normally would, just as if you were going to search for something on the internet. Now, instead of searching, you're going to go directly to the official site. Click into the address bar at the top of your browser and carefully type in notebooklm.google.com. Take a second to double-check the spelling so you don't end up on the wrong page. Once it looks correct, press Enter or Go. Your browser will now take you to the NotebookLm homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll either see a Sign In button or be prompted to log in. NotebookLm is tied to your Google account, so you'll need to use either a standard personal account, like one ending in gmail.com, or an eligible work or school Google account. If you already use Google services such as Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Docs, you can sign in with that same account. Enter your email address and your password and complete any verification steps your organization or Google might require, like two-step authentication. Once you're signed in, Google will remember this on that device, so the next time you visit notebooklm.google.com, you may go straight into NotebookLm without logging in again. On mobile, the process is nearly identical. Open your browser, type notebooklm.google.com into the address bar, sign in with your Google account, and you'll be taken into the NotebookLm interface, optimized for your smaller screen. That's all there is to it. By going directly to notebooklm.google.com in your browser and signing in with a supported Google account, you'll have quick, reliable access to NotebookLm whenever you need it.